Welcome to SMU. My name is Samantha Thomas, and I am the Assistant Vice President for Equal Opportunity and Title IX Coordinator in the university's Office of Equal Opportunity. Other staff members include Denise Gaucher, who is the Director and ADA 504 Coordinator, and Jasper Chang, who is the Title IX Equal Opportunity Investigator. Denise and Jasper also serve as Deputy Title IX Coordinators. The Title IX Coordinator oversees compliance with Title IX with assistance from the Deputy Title IX Coordinators. Title IX of the Education Amendments of 1972 is a federal law that protects students from discrimination on the basis of sex, including sexual harassment. Sexual harassment encompasses sexual assault, dating violence, domestic violence, and stalking. Sexual harassment is a violation of Title IX, state law, and SMU's Title IX sexual harassment policy. The purpose of this presentation is to ensure that you are aware of contacts and resources available to you under Title IX. In addition to the two Deputy Title IX Coordinators who are staff members in the Office of Equal Opportunity, 4 SMU employees also serve as university-wide Deputy Title IX Coordinators and include Steve Yeager, the Assistant Dean for Student Affairs in the Dedman School of Law, Bonnie Hainline, the Director of Campus Recreation and Wellbeing Education and Student Affairs, Alan Itkin, the Assistant Provost for Graduate Education and Chief of Staff for the Moody School of Graduate and Advanced Studies, and Don Rogers, the Deputy Director of Athletics for Internal Affairs in the Department of Athletics. These deputies serve as Title IX resource contacts and assist with investigations and hearings as needed. Title IX services provided by the Office of Equal Opportunity include sharing information about SMU's Title IX sexual harassment policy and discussing options for responding to incidents of sexual harassment that can include filing a complaint and informal resolution. The office also conducts investigations of Title IX complaints and reports and shares supportive measures and resources that are available to students. Students can report a sexual assault to the university by contacting the Office of Equal Opportunity and/or the SMU Police Department. Reports can be made to either or both offices. SMU provides numerous supportive measures to students who are victims of sexual harassment. Supportive measures can be requested even if a student does not file a complaint and include counseling provided by SMU Counseling Services and the SMU Chaplain's Office, no contact orders, formal directives provided to students to not have contact with each other, extensions of deadlines or other course-related adjustments, modifications to work or class schedules, changes in work or housing locations, increased security or monitoring of certain parts of campus, and assistance from the SMU Police Department who can help students with filing protective orders or contacting local law enforcement if the conduct occurred off campus. Supportive measures can also be requested by students accused of sexual harassment. Please consult the SMU Title IX sexual harassment policy for more information about supportive measures. SMU resources available to students include the Office of Equal Opportunity, Counseling Services, Chaplain's Office, Office of Student Advocacy and Support, Women and LGBT Center, SMU Police Department, SANE Exam at the SMU Health Center, SMU Aware Safety App, and the SMU Safety Escort Program. In addition to SMU resources, the following are local, state, and national resources available to students: the Dallas Area Rape Crisis Center, Genesis Women's Shelter and Support, Texas Health Presbyterian Hospital Dallas SANE Program, Parkland Hospital Victim Intervention Program, the Family Place, the Turning Point, Texas Association Against Sexual Assault, Texas Council on Family Violence, National Domestic Violence Hotline, and the Rape, Abuse, and Incest National Network. Students may be eligible for help with crime-related costs after a violent crime under the Texas Crime Victims Compensation Program. The program helps victims and their families by covering costs like medical bills, counseling, lost wages, and more to aid in their recovery. The program is funded by fees from offenders and not tax dollars and focuses on two main goals: reimbursing victims for some of the cost caused by violent crime and encouraging victims to participate in the legal process and assist in the prosecution of offenders. For more information about the program and eligibility, please visit the Crime Victims Compensation Program webpage on the Texas Attorney General's website. The Office of Equal Opportunity is located in Perkins Administration Building, Room 204. Perkins is located north of McFarland Auditorium and west of Dallas Hall. You can also reach the office via phone at 214-768-3601 or via email at equalopportunity@smu.edu. To access the resources listed in this presentation or to learn more about Title IX and sexual harassment, including sexual assault, please visit the Office of Equal Opportunity website at smu.edu/OEO or the SMU Sexual Harassment website at smu.edu/sexual harassment. Thank you.